Hello crafty friends and welcome back. Today I am going to share a beautiful printable junk journal kit that's perfect if you love shabby chic, lace, and soft vintage vibes. I am introducing our May project, which is we're going to all be using blush, lace, and pearls. This is a digital kit designed by Sandy over at Decorate Your Life. And I can't wait to show you everything that's included and how you can use it in your own projects. I'm also going to put links in the description box that will take you to our other brand ambassadors to show you how they're using it. Now I know Craft Creations for Fun, Jenny, who is the marketing and social media director for Decorate Your Life, she is making a journal, and guys, it is straight up gorgeous. I mean, look at this. How can you go wrong, right? So, if you love shabby chic and Victorian style, this kit is the one for you, and it is special. It's featuring a 29 sheet digital collection designed in an 8.5 by 11 landscape format. And it prints beautifully right at home. So you're going to get 24 vintage style pages. And along with that, you're going to get 5 coordinating ephemera sheets. And that's going to be filled with your fussy cuts, your tickets, and your sentiments. And I thought the sentiments was actually really adorable. So what makes this kit stand out is its elegant style. And again, when you go see what Jenny's made and the other ladies are working on, you'll see why. It's soft, it's romantic, it's cohesive, and then I'll show you at the end of the little presentation here and the showing of the pages how I'm going to use it, and then ways that you can use it. So if you're interested in watching how the brand ambassadors are using the kit, then I'll put their links will be in the description box below, as well as all things leading up to Sandy. Okay, so stick around. We're getting ready to see what I made. Hi guys, I'm back and I'm showing you I divided my kit between 3 signatures, and I'm going to, and I cut a piece for the back of my spine, right? And then I cut 4 2" by 7" pieces of watercolor paper. These 3 will get glued together. This one's going to hold the spine, and then it will get glued down to this one. And then this is what's going to hold the book together. And then here's my covers. They're going to be 3 sheets each of the watercolor paper. Thank you, Sandy, for that hack. And then they're strong. You know, they're not impervious to folding and bending, but they're very strong for a journal. And then I'm going to cover my base with the pink paper. And I don't know why I brought that along. I got my bone folder, and I got my glue, and I got my scissors, and I got my corner to mark my corners for my pages here, so I have 1 inch all the way around. I use this width for my when I put my book together, and I think that's and my needles and a pokey tool, which is here. I just have to gather it all up, and when we come back, my project's going to be like magically put together. So I'll see you in the next segment. Don't go away. Oh, don't forget to leave a comment on what you think of the new collection, and tell me what you plan to do with yours. All right, I'll see you in a flash. Good morning, guys, and welcome back. We're here. Just 10 seconds ago, we were working on the cover, and I was showing you all the stuff that I needed to get it put together, and I'll show it to you here in just a second. I just wanted to remind you real quick what comes in your blush, lace, and pearls junk journal kit by Decor8 Your Life. You're going to get 24 designs, 5 coordinating ephemera, fussy cutting images, tickets and sentiments, with a total of 29 sheets You just purchase, use your 15% off discount, Rhonda15. It'll be in the description box, and download and print. It's that easy. Okay, so here we go. I decided on this cover, my flowers are not yet glued down. I was waiting on these to get dry. This one wanted to give me a little bit of trouble. So I'll glue these on once we're done with flip through. So, come on. I did a hidden spine so you don't see the strings. This is part of the flower trim. You look real close, you can see it. That's in the kit. And then I covered it with vintage lace. And then since it's blush, lace, and pearls, I come in with a very soft lace-covered pink cover. And then I covered it with some of my pearl and lace trims. And then I have not done the inside of the cover yet. I've just gotten it together. I will come back and I will put something in here. I may trim that off yet. I may fold it over. I'm still not sure. Like I said, we are in the process. I may just glue that down there. Okay, so here is our journal. I went back to the She Said Yes digital and downloaded the pink side. So all of my pages have the pink side. Okay, so we're there. We're going to start the ephemera. And I went with 21 of the pages, 7 pages in each signature. So we'll glue these on real quick. And I know that the book looks kind of strange right now, but as we start filling it with the ephemera, it's going to open up. I went with about a 1/2 inch in between. And if you want to see how these spines are made, just ask in the comments, and I'm happy to do a tutorial on that. They're not difficult. That's if you want to create something. I have something I want to put on the spine. Is why I did the. Now I'm only going to glue a portion of my center down because I want my flowers to have the ends up. I don't want them secured. And then we'll just put these on. And my cover is complete. Now, I know that Edwina is she's showing how to use this kit with like paper crafts. And it's perfect for paper crafts. The kit's perfect for journals. It's perfect for Mother's Day cards. Like she said, gift bags. So if you want to, if you're not a junk journaler, that's fine. I won't be too hurt. But go over to her channel and have a look at what she's making. I'm not sure what the other ladies are making, but I plan to find out today. I'm going to do some R&R and watch. So that's my cover. You've seen the inside. You know how to get your discount. And then next up, I'm going to be making a few things with some envelopes. And envelopes, stamps, different things. Okay, so I hope you'll come back next Sunday for my Decorate Your Life video. And you'll hang out with me throughout the rest of the week for my Easy Ephemera on a Budget series. But Sundays is all Decorate Your Life. Isn't that gorgeous? Isn't this gorgeous? I mean, you have to see it to believe it. And then I know at one point she had sent us these and some other little flat backs. So I may come in. These stick up quite a bit, but I think they would look good on there. Or here on the spine. They may look good. Oh yeah, that's where they're going. All the way down that spine. I have those. Look at this. You just got to sit for a minute. Her kits are designed to inspire, I'll tell you this. You're not going to be bored. You can create all day, every day with one of her kits. So there we would have this and this and that, something like that. And that's probably what I'll wind up doing. In fact, I know that's what I'll wind up doing. All right, so these can be found in Sandy's shop, and the kit can be found over there. Anything you need to get a link to her channel will be in the description box. All you have to do is hop over there, use your discount, and do some shopping. All right. Thanks for sticking around, and I'll see you in the next Decorate Your Life video next Sunday, Tuesdays, Thursdays. Bye, guys. Thank you so much for crafting with the Diva today. I truly appreciate you spending this creative time with me. If you've enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep it creative, keep it inspired, and I'll see you soon.